got this I cut the from the bag, the paper bag, like a gift bag thing, and so just use this punching thing, and so it's not all perfect because what do you call this, but it still look good from far away because I just learning how to punch the paper thing, and it's sew it with it's over there. It's kind of mess right now. Anyway, so and then oh, that's the it's a paper or like another thing I cut. Yeah. Anyway, I just my phone is kind of low bat, so I have this battery, and so this is the plastic thing, and I put right here. And guys, I use this the handle of this paper bag. I use there's two handles, so I just use this one, and right here guys, I loosen up right here. I tie right here so that it don't slide. So, and I loosen up in there because I need to put something inside in here. I need to, that's why this one is loose to right there. Loosen up a little bit so that I'm gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but anyway. And then guys, I sew another heart, and so I just put into the another bag, the bag handle, and then this is the one for, like you put the name of the birthday thing, that's from that one. So I just put and tie. I sew it again. I hand sew it. You just wait. Sorry guys, it's already 1 something p.m. But anyway, so I just got this. That's it. Yay! Sorry about that. Anyway, so I did not put this one yet. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna use it or I'm gonna use different one. We'll see. But that thing sparkles still. So it's using the handle. Uh, I think I'm just gonna use this as like a hanging decor, guys. So I'm not done yet. You can put. I like to put like a ribbon yet or whatever. I don't have right now. So hopefully, yeah, I can find some at the thrift store or something like that. Eh. Hey, you always go in the back, guys. Don't go into. I. I like to go in the background, guys. The paper. There you go. So, okay, I'm not done yet. Um, it's like watching this. I have to do my nails again. It's coming Friday, I think, Valentine's Day, guys. Happy Valentine's, everybody. Or you can use like this. See you later.